Hi friends, Suzanne here with the newest installment of the mini-series called Crafting at the Lake House. I started this one-day local retreat back in 2019, and now we've completed our third event. Even with all the restrictions and safety rules we had to follow, this event was a huge success. My friend and fellow demonstrator Terry from Card Designs by Terry helped me once again, where we split the work and brought together local crafters from around BC for this super popular catered first class event. If you're interested in attending the next Lake House event in June, please fill out the form on my blog, sunstampin.com, or in the description of this video. In the mini-series, I am sharing a dozen card designs we created for the make and takes at the event. Fair warning, some supplies are from the January to February celebration catalog, so if you're trying to recreate, you may have to substitute. All right, here we are with card number 2. Terry created this card using the Sweet Conversations stamp set. And that is on, I think, 8, 9, and 10 of the mini catalog. I am using Highland Heather here, and that says Happy Valentine's Day. However, that stamp set has a lot of different sentiments. You don't have to use Happy Valentine's Day. And then we have a whole bunch of measurements here. So this is 2 3/4 by 3 1/2. That's the designer series paper. It's going on Highland Heather, which is 2 7/8 by 3 5/8 of an inch. And I am adhering that all to a 3 by 4 3/4 sized rectangle in Pool Party. And then I put the sentiment up on dimensionals, and those are mini dimensionals there. I just had them handy, so I'm using them up. And I struggled a little bit making this one straight. I know that Pool Party ribbon was super nice. Pool Party ribbon, it gets tied around this card. And I did want to mention one thing, that the gingham embossing folder was used on that Highland Heather piece just above on the left-hand side there, upper left-hand side. It's not a embossing folder that I own, so it was interesting to see it in play. I'm still kind of I'm curious about it. It's different. But to me, it doesn't necessarily look like gingham. So I could argue the validity of the name. Anyway, and that piece is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8, and it's on a thick, basic white card base. And that pretty much is the card. We're going to put that focal piece up on dimensionals, and huzzah, the card is done. You can see all the supplies we used today listed below in the video see more section or in the supply section of my blog. So those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.